Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to crypto prediction today, or Bitcoin price prediction, or Bitcoin forecasting, or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So, guys, in that video, we're going to analyze for you here the Bitcoin in the daily for long-term investment. Then we are going to go to 4 hours to analyze for you in the 4 hours for swing trading. So if there is someone who wants just to invest in Bitcoin, go to the daily. If you would just want for swing trading 4 hours, and if you are a scalper, we go back here to 30-minute, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's going back and we started our lesson of today, guys. Here we are in the daily, guys. What that candle here is telling us? That candle here is telling us the Bitcoin is going to fall down, guys. Yes or no? But that candle here, that one, which is going now, of which day? That candle, is it the candle of Monday, guys? Yes or no? So should us we follow Monday candle? People, they been with us. What me have been telling you all along, we been with that channel. I've been telling you Monday candle, it just market start. And market makers, they always pushing the price to fall down for them to buy lower, and you to thinking the market is going to drop, then they are going to drive it higher, guys. That's a very well known market structure for market makers, guys. So now what is it here in the daily, guys? In the daily, we don't got nothing new here. We got that level here. The market it came to hit from here. It's showing the market is going down. The volume down. Yes, it's spiking a little bit, but we still in a down volume, guys. Look at that. Is no one came and breaking here? Oh, now what is it, the view? It's very simple. Everything's still the same, guys. Look here, that inside bar, that one. Either the market took him to break down here. We are going to go till 10K, guys. Or we are going to go higher here. And we're breaking up here. And we are going to go back to 19K. Picture is too clear, my friend. There is nothing to make yourself very stressful or something. You buy Bitcoin, forget about the rest. Don't follow media, don't follow nothing. Because majority of those things, they are just things they try to make you scared. The only thing, don't leave your Bitcoin in exchanges. If you buy Bitcoin, use a hard wallet and store your Bitcoin and go to sleep and wait until you are in profit and sell it. Bitcoin is not fish, it's going to get spoiled. Bitcoin is not bright, it's going to get spoiled. It will not get spoiled. It's going to stay with you forever. That's it. That even you, that's what you need to do. Me, I'm talking here about long-term investors. Just they say down here and forget about the rest. Make it as if you are in a discount and you're buying in a discount. Always buy in a discount. When you see a bear market like that, always buy in discount. Everything is too clear, guys, here? By the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Us, guys, we put in for you every day 2 videos. Every day 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. One after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very well updated on what the Bitcoin doing right now. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down here tell you, hey, mister, subscribe at me. Next to hit a bell, turn it to all. So like that, you're going to be notified every time we also put in a new video. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. Because in Telegram, my friend, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go in to analyze our indicators, guys. What the same for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as we said before, we got here at divergence, guys. Here in the daily, we said we got here at divergence. Yes or no? Now what that indicator of us doing now here? We go back to touch here the divergence line. Now either from here you're going to see it going up, or from here, from that level where we are, you're going to see it going down again to the oversold area. What should we do now? Nothing, guys. Also we enter from here. When it touch here, we enter. That's it. And we wait, and either it will go up or it will fall down again to the oversold area. Then we are going to buy again. Picture is too clear, guys. By the way, I know you are subscribers. This much like button, my friend. Go ahead and do it. Helping us, guys. You know that channel without you can grow up. So please support us. Also, we're doing very hard job, guys, to put in those videos for you every day. We live in our job. We live in a lot of things to every day to film it for you videos. So we don't ask you for nothing. We just ask you to support us by smashing the like button, to writing down comments, to boosting that channel to growing up very quick. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. Here we are in the 4 hours for swing traders. Here us, we enter from here. From that candle That one, guys. Yes or no? What you see in here now? If we extend that line to here, what you seeing, guys? That one here is going to test it from up. If it tested here, then it went up and breaking for us the last high, which is here. That's something healthy, guys, to the market structure. Where else we put in our stop? We put it down here. Why we put it down here? Because if we came and we break a lower here, that man, the trend, all that will be in here. It just arrested. That means the trend is going to fall down more than that. So now what should we do, guys? Also, we enter from here. We put a stop loss down here. We just need to wait in. That's it. That's what me I'm telling you. And if you remember, as we said here, we got a very stronger level. And here, as you see it, we've been touch it all that time. Then now it's showing it's falling, guys. Now, either from here is going to go back up and to break here. That's something very, very healthy. I'll show you why. I told you we got here a downtrend like that, as you see it. If that one came and touched it here, then after that it came up and break for us the last high here. That's what is going to give you, guys. Look with me here. It's going to give you high, and over here is going to give you low. Then after that another high. So that one is going to be an uptrend. But we need to wait in the Bitcoin to come to break here, guys. That last high. Picture is too clear, guys. But now what it's showing? It's showing it's still falling, guys. Let's wait if it's going to fall down till here, till the trend line here or no. Then we're going to come back to you after the daily candle finished, guys. Now it's going to say our indicators what the same for picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, that one, if you remember it, that one, the divergence line, will push up till here. Now we are in it here. By the way, the candle which is going now, it's still going. So let's wait what's going to happen, guys. Either from here we're going to go back up, or another scenario we're going to go back down to the oversold area. That's something very bad if it go back to the oversold area. But let's wait what's going to happen. Then we're going to see another going up. But the bad news here, us here, we're still in the place where is the bears, the controlling, guys. The bulls, they are not powerful. Look at them. It came here to the bulls, but they are not powerful. Yes or no? It couldn't stay long here in that place where is the bulls, they controlling. That indicator of us or the momentum of the market, it's prefer to stay where is the bears, they controlling. Because the bears is them who controlling more than the bulls. Look at it. You see it or not? Look how long here it's been in the bears market. Take long, but in the bulls it doesn't take long. Very quickly it falls down. Picture is too clear, guys. And if you remember in the last videos I show you we got here a hidden divergence here, but what me I told it need to come and to break here up. Did it break? No, my friend. Picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, that way us we enter because we've been here at the oversold area. We used to have here a price action here. Level we used to be in a stronger supply and demand zone, and now we are very close to it. If you see here, we are very close to that supply demand zone, or we are in it. Now, either from here you're going to see it going up, and even our indicator is very close to the oversold area, or it's going to fall down more, guys, and it's going to break for us down, and it's going to go to 10k. Picture is too clear, guys. Now what should we do, guys? Nothing. Also we put in stop loss down here, and we enter because of that one here. Our indicator, it doesn't reach to the overbought area, so we need to wait in, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity for today, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, the last video, watch me, I told you here. I told you it's going to fall down. Yes or no? And I told you we got here that wage here. Yes or no? And I told you it's breaking here. That one is still in the channel, guys. Look where we are here. If you just enter from the last video till here, will you make very, very decent profit. And all that analysis is still in the last video, guys. Now what should you do here in that level here? Got any price action here? Yes, you got one. You got here a flag like that and like that. Look at it. That one is a flag. It's breaking down. So you bring in that line here and you put it here, guys. So the Bitcoin will go down till here. Picture is very clear, guys. What our indicator is saying, guys. Let's see it. Our indicator is saying also we are here at the oversold area, guys. Should we buy? We need a price action, guys. We don't got any price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. Unless if the future came and give us here a price action that is going to indicate for us we need to enter long again. But till now, it's still falling, guys. Our other indicator, what it's saying, guys? Let's see it. Our other indicator, guys, look at it, what it's telling us. It's telling us we got here a divergence. You see it or no? Should you buy, guys? No. You need a price action here. Where is the price action you can make? Is that one. You see it or no? It's a wage. It's need that one to come upward and to break the last high here for you to enter long. Till now, there is no entry, guys. We need to wait in a little bit. Picture is too clear, guys? So, that's it for that video, guys. And don't forget to support us. See you after the daily candle. Finish it, my friend. Bye for now.